You got the job. You worked your first week. And now you're holding your first paycheck. And you're probably thinking, wait, this is less than I expected. Welcome to taxes. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what's happening to your paycheck, what all those deductions mean, and most importantly, what to do with the money that actually lands in your hands. Because this moment right here, your first real paycheck, this is where your financial future actually starts. Let's break it down. First, why is your check smaller than you expected?
Let's say you worked 20 hours at $12 an hour. That's $240. But your check says something like $204. Where did $36 go? It went to taxes. But here's something important to understand.
Not all of that $36 is gone forever. Let me explain. There are 3 types of tax on your paycheck. Federal income tax. Here's the good news. Most teens earn less than the standard deduction, which is about $16,000 a year. That means you probably owe 0 federal income tax. Your employer might still take some out of each check, but you get it back when you file your taxes in April. Social Security tax. This is 6.2% of your paycheck, every paycheck, automatically. It funds retirement benefits for older Americans. Yes, you're paying into a system you won't benefit from for decades. That's how it works. Medicare tax. This is 1.45% of your paycheck. It funds healthcare for older Americans. Together, Social Security and Medicare are called FICA taxes. They add up to 7.65% and come out of every paycheck automatically, regardless of how much you earn. So back to that $36 that came out of your check. Only about half of it, the Social Security and Medicare part, is gone for good. The federal income tax part, you'll likely get that back next April when you file your taxes. Here's a pro move. When you fill out your W-4 on day 1 at your new job, if you know you'll earn less than that $16,000 standard deduction, you may be able to claim exempt from federal income tax withholding. That means they don't take it out in the first place. You keep it now instead of waiting for a refund. Ask a parent to help you check the box correctly. FICA still comes out either way. Exempt only applies to federal income tax. This is why understanding taxes matters, not to complain about them, but to plan around them. Now let's talk about what to do with the money you actually take home. Remember the 3-jar system from our very first video? Spend, save, give. 50%, 40%, 10%. Here's the thing about applying it to a real job income versus allowance. The numbers get bigger, and that changes everything. Let's say you're taking home $200 a week from your summer job. 50% to spend, $100. That's real spending money, enough to actually enjoy your summer. 40% to save, $80 a week, $320 a month. 10% to give, $20. Now let's connect this to what we talked about in our compound interest videos. $80 a week going into an investment account at 10% annual growth. Do that for just 1 summer. 12 weeks, that's $960 invested. If you never add another dollar and just let it grow until you're 65, that $960 becomes over $100,000. 1 summer of work, 6 figures, just from not spending everything. But here's where it gets really staggering. If you do this every summer through high school, 4 summers investing around $960 each, by retirement, that's potentially over $350,000. From 4 summers of work as a teenager. The teens who figure this out at 16 are the adults who have options at 35. Now let's talk about the mistakes most teens make with their first paycheck. Mistake 1, spending it all immediately. The first paycheck feels like free money. You worked for it, you earned it, you want to enjoy it, and you should. That's what the spend jar is for. But spending all of it leaves you starting from 0 every single week. Mistake 2, not opening a bank account. If you don't have a bank account, get one this week. Most banks offer free teen checking accounts. Some require a parent to co-sign. A bank account means direct deposit, which means you get paid faster and more securely than a paper check. Mistake 3, ignoring the investment opportunity. Most teens save a little and invest nothing, but this is the moment, your first income, when a custodial investment account actually makes sense. Remember our video on stocks? Talk to your parents about opening one now. Even $50 a month into an S&P 500 index fund from your summer job income is a stronger start than most adults ever make. Mistake 4. Not tracking what you spend. You're making real money now. You should know where it's going. Nothing complicated, just a note on your phone. What came in, what went out. This habit alone separates financially aware people from everyone else. Here's your challenge. When your next paycheck arrives, do 3 things. 1. Read every line of it. Understand every deduction. Know exactly what was withheld and what you'll get back in April. 2. Split it using the 3-jar system before you spend a single dollar. 3. Talk to your parents about opening a custodial investment account for your Save Jar money. Your first job is more than just a paycheck. It's your first real chance to build something. Most teens waste it. You're not going to. If this changed how you think about your first paycheck, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments. What are you planning to do with your first summer job money? See you in the next one.